So I got this slot machine for $30 at Salvation Army. Okay, this is what's inside. Okay, I got a whole bag full of coins. Let me see. Okay, I see I need a fuse right there. Little glass fuse thing. Okay, but it said needs power cord. It's got this thing. I don't know if that's a transformer, a big ass relay. I don't know much. Okay, it's got these two green wires coming off of it. It's got these two wires going up to here, and they're not connected to nothing. And it's got these two coming here from up there. I just don't want to fuck it up. I don't want to mess it up. But I do want to get it going. Especially since all the casinos are shut down for coronavirus. You know, I can make a little money. Okay. Thanks if anybody comments.